needed. Oh. Hello, gorgeous people. What is up? And welcome back to another day in my life vlog. So today is Saturday and we've gotten up really late. It is almost 11:57 a.m. बहुत ही ज़्यादा लेट हो गया उठने में, बट ठीक है यार, एक दिन चलता है. As you can see, I have already made my coffee. कितने भी बजे उठो, कॉफी इज रियली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी टू फंक्शन थ्रू आउट द डे. बट एनीवे, सो ये डे इन माई लाइफ व्लॉग थोड़ा अलग होने वाला है बिकॉज आई हैव नथिंग प्लान्ड. बट आई जस्ट नो वन थिंग, दैट इट्स गोइंग टू बी अ वेरी फैमिली ओरिएंटेड व्लॉग टुडे बिकॉज इन द इवनिंग माई एंटायर फैमिली इज गोइंग टू बी हियर एट माई प्लेस फॉर dinner. So that means it's going to be a lot of fun, मस्ती and games in the evening. So I thought कि vlog करते हैं. आई डोंट नो पूरे दिन में क्या क्या करूंगी, बट या इवनिंग तो मजेदार होने वाली है. सो आई थॉट दैट लेट्स व्लॉग इट. आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड अ फ्यू थिंग्स फ्रॉम ब्लिंकिट जो अभी आ जाएंगे, व्हिच आई विल शो यू इन सम टाइम वंस दे आर हियर. ये ब्लिंकिट से मंगवाई हुई चीजें आ गई. सो लेट मी डू अ क्विक हॉल फॉर यू. ओके, so I think I've ordered some 5-6 things. First is this Mirinda, and then there is this Coca-Cola, of course, because we need it. Cola we like the most, so that's why I've ordered the 2.5 liter ka bottle. And this is Mirinda. This is for the kids, so that when we are having Coca-Cola, they'll also be able to drink something. Then I have this Bhujia Sev and chocolate. Oh god, this is typically sounding like a chakna, but this is like a pre-appetizer snacks for us, so I just ordered that. And I have also ordered Uno No Mercy. I have heard a lot of things about this and मुझे ये खेलना था. Finally today is the day. मैंने ये Blinkit से order कर दिया. I'm going to play this with my cousins, so it's going to be fun. So yeah, I think that was the mini haul. यही कुछ चीजें हैं जो मैंने Blinkit से order करी. ठीक है ना. सो क्विक हॉल हो गया है. लेट्स कीप दिस थिंग्स इन द फ्रिज सो दैट दे कैन बी सर्व्ड चिल्ड इन द इवनिंग. एंड देन आई विल शो यू द हालचाल ऑफ द किचन. ऑफ कोर्स मुझे बनाना तो कुछ नहीं आता है, बट जस्ट फॉर यू गाइस आई विल गो देयर एंड आई विल प्रिटेंड दैट मैं कुछ कर रही हूँ. सो लेट्स गो. Okay, I got so tired doing all the natak, and I don't know why did I sound so cringe in my cooking shots, but any which ways. So that's those shots are done. Now I also want to clean my room to make it presentable to the guests that are going to come, so that they can mess it even more. So that is how it is. अगर families आते हैं तो आप पहले उनके लिए घर ठीक करते हो, and then उसके बाद वो लोग आके उसको खराब करते हैं. That is how the dynamics are actually. Let me know आपके घर पे भी ऐसे होता है कि नहीं. As you can see, the halat of my room is like really horrible. I might need a good hour to basically sort this thing out and clean this mess. But I think before that, थोड़ा पेट पूजा करते हैं because it's already late. And I don't know फिर dinner कब होगा. So let's quickly eat something and then put on some nice groovy music and then ये सारे mess को साफ करते हैं. तो चलो. lunch and everything is done. So let's get on to the cleaning. Let's go. I actually don't know where to put you guys so that आपको view मिले, but ठीक है, any which ways. Let's go. It was so much fun. Oh my god. Okay. Guys, okay, so the cleaning is done. I am so sweaty and tired with all the dancing and cleaning. I'm gonna go now, quickly have a bath and get ready for the guests. The one thing is that I'm gonna post a part 2 of this vlog, which is predominantly being focused on me dancing and cleaning and enjoying that specific time. It was so much fun. I really loved it, and it was so random, and I thought कि ठीक है, इसका अलग एक video बनाते हैं. So subscribe and look forward to that part as well. Anyways, I'm gonna go quickly have a bath. I'll catch you along soon. Such a beautiful sunset. This is the outfit for the evening. Let's do skincare and makeup and we're all set. Okay, makeup is done. Few of the guests are here, so I'm gonna go and welcome them. He's checking in again after a really long time. It's 12 a.m. right now. All of them, all the guests just left, and I was like, okay, it's finally time to end this vlog. I thoroughly enjoyed making this one. It was a wholesome evening for me. I love such kind of a days because I'm personally a family oriented person. I like to stay in the family, and this is all how it is with us when it comes to our family dynamics. We are all like all together touch wood. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this one. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And also, if you've stuck around until now, then do not forget to leave a red heart emoji in the comment box below and show some love for this video. Alrighty then, good night, and I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care and love you. Bye.